year, you know, it has rained a great deal in the Bay Area. A couple of heavy rainstorms, I wasn't paying too much attention. Inside of my beautiful 2001 Mercedes 430e got totally flooded. It was like Noah's Ark over about 10 times, and there was mold, and it was awful, awful, awful. So we found XLNC Auto Body and Big Mike, Little Mike, wonderful people. They took good care of it, cleaned it out, helped us with finding where the leak was, fixing it. Car looks beautiful. Hasn't looked this good since it came out of the Mercedes dealer 25 years ago. So thank you very much, Mike, and XLNC Auto Body.
XLNC Auto Beauty.